Hello, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, if you saw the title, you know we are packing together for Europe, for Paris. I'm so excited. Just take us along on my packing journey. I did do a full lookbook video, so I kind of already planned out my outfits, so hopefully that makes this packing a little bit easier, but I'll talk you guys through all my packing tips and tricks, also kind of my thought process on packing items for a long trip where you don't have as much suitcase room, a lot of space. I am sharing my suitcase with Jake, so we'll see if I can fit this all in here. I think it's gonna work though. But before we get into all of the packing, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's get to packing. Alright, so here's our suitcase. Pretty big. Like I said, I am sharing this with Jake, so I'm gonna be courteous and try to stick to one side, but we'll see what happens. Okay, now to pack. Alright, so welcome to the floor. This is how we're gonna pack. So I want to kind of bring my big ticket items in first. So that is all of my coats. I did delusionally think I'm going to be bringing 4 big coats and maybe just wear one on the airplane is kind of my plan. The only jacket that I'm iffy about packing is this one because it is just so bulky. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but that is gonna be my biggest feat if I'm able to get this in there. When I was doing my lookbook, I didn't like necessarily need this jacket. I mean, it does give some fun different looks and a little bit more of a casual vibe and kind of a switch up from a long coat for my outfits, but just because it's black, it's like not necessary. Like I do have already a black long coat that I could wear with this, also ones that are like tan, so it's kind of a nice to have but not necessary. But nice to have. So we'll see if I can end up fitting this in there. But first I'm gonna start with my black coat. And this one is a very large, long patent leather coat from Express. I actually got this on a crazy good sale, crazy good deal. They were having like some clearance. I think I got this for like, I don't know, under $100, and it's like regularly 200 plus, so this was a really great deal. And I love that it's super long and it's really chic. It's very fun with the patent leather, so this is going in the suitcase. This is getting packed up. I also literally searched for so long for my packing cubes. If you saw my last pack with me vlog, I did have my packing cubes and I thought they were actually really helpful, but unfortunately I don't know where they went. So we're going without packing cubes this time, so we'll see how we do. It's really the coats that are gonna make the big difference for me. The rest of the items, like I actually don't have that many clothing items. It's just a skirt, a pair of pants, pair of jeans, and then like 4 different tops, so not too much. Yeah, it's really just these coats that I need to get in. So I wonder to kind of button it up. That might be a little bit more helpful. I'm also considering this one potentially might be one that I wear on the plane, but I think because it is like the patent leather, it's actually kind of thin, so I can probably more easily pack it away. All right, and then we got it in there, but obviously it's the only thing in there, so it's gonna fit. Next we have this chocolatey brown coat from Guess, and I actually got this for Christmas this year, and it is just so gorgeous. Like it's such a beautiful jacket and I think perfect for Paris. Yeah, just a gorgeous jacket, leather coat. So this one, it's also going in, and I think it is very different from obviously the black coat because we get your black outfits, the brown outfits. I also have my next one up is a white coat, and then I have more of like a camel color, so kind of hitting all the different tones and vibes of coats that you can possibly have. So this one is a little bit thinner as well, so I think hoping it's fine fitting in here. Yeah, so I'm gonna add this one in, and then this white coat. This one is from Style We. I did a full video review on their brand. This coat is so gorgeous and very chic. It has these fun like bubbly sleeves to it. So this definitely just screams Paris in my opinion. Yeah, super, super chic and like just a fun white coat. Like it's just so fun. So I definitely make room for this one. It's also warm but like thin. So the perfect thing to pack. And then my last coat, this one is the one I'm probably going to be wearing on the plane because it is double lined. So this is also from Express and it has this like inner lining on it, which is actually removable. Super fun fact, didn't know that when I got it. I got this with the black coat. They were both again on a crazy good deal, crazy good sale. So yeah, this is kind of just a very neutral tone. I feel like this is gonna go really well with more of like casual outfits with jeans. So yeah, that's kind of the thought process here. Honestly, as I'm looking at all of these, I really do not think this guy's gonna make it, which is a bummer. I could like wear it as a layer with my other jacket potentially, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see if it makes it in. All right, little iPhone cam for you guys. It looks like the coats have taken up pretty much exactly half of my side of the suitcase, which is honestly pretty good for me. So we'll see if I can fill up the clothes on the other half. All right, so I have the coats filling up, like I said, about half of the suitcase right now, which is honestly better than I expected. We're doing pretty well. So next up I have pants, and I did use these trousers in my lookbook, but honestly after making some of the outfits I felt like they just weren't as necessary because I do have these black leather pants. So I think I'm actually going to pass on the trouser pants for now. If I end up being able to fit them, maybe I'll throw them in, but I think these are gonna be a pass. And then leather pants, yes, these are super cute. They're also pretty warm. They're also from Express. They have like a little bit of an inner like fleece lining on them, so that makes them warmer. And I'll go ahead and just fold these up. And then the other pants that I have these low-rise jeans from Princess Polly. I just did a full Princess Polly haul, so if you want more information on the jeans, definitely check it out. These are super cute, such a fun style, and I love the wash on these. They're such a nice neutral blue. They just look really good with so many tops, so many different styles. So these are definitely a nice pair. And then if I end up having space, I did grab a more light wash pair of denim, and these ones are a little bit more cropped, which I think is fun, kind of show off my shoes that I'm bringing. But yeah, so this is just a different look. They're high-waisted, cropped, and a lighter wash, so I'm hoping I can squeeze these in because I think it'd be a nice variety for jeans. But honestly, I don't really need 2 pairs of jeans, so we'll see what we end up being able to fit. Here's it looking with the pants in there. I did just end up throwing those jeans in hopes that they end up fitting. All right, so pants are in the bag. Now I have a couple dress/skirt styles. So I have this leather dress from Zara, and I did do like a best dressed guest video on this one, and I love that I'm getting more use out of it. I also used it styling some workwear outfits, so this was really a great investment for me. I knew that it wasn't going to be just a statement dress for my event, but also something I could wear so many more times. So yeah, I feel like that's going to be definitely a very versatile item in this little capsule wardrobe that I'm building. And then I do have some options here. So I have this little satin skirt, and then I have a dress that I could also like layer as like a satin skirt itself, but then also have the top on it. The only thing is though, I think I like the look of tucking things into the skirt, so I think I might just go with this skirt, and if I have room, I'll bring the dress in. In my lookbook, I just used a skirt, so I think I'm just gonna stick with the skirt style. So that's kind of the last bottom that I have. And then for jackets on top of the coats, I have this oversized blazer from Princess Polly. Super, super cute, very chic and fun. Definitely gives Paris vibes. And then I also have this jacket from Style We, and it's this cropped trench style, which is so fun, and it has these really like oversized sleeves, and I don't know, it's just such a cool statement-y jacket that I think it'll look really good with the outfits that I have. Also, just the neutral color helps it blend in more with more outfits and match better. Really like that. And then this jacket I am kind of wearing more as just a top on its own. So this is from xoxo, and it's this really pretty foresty green, and it has some fun texture to it. So yeah, this is really, really cute, and I think matches all of the other items. Kind of the goal here, kind of the idea is making that capsule wardrobe, but for a trip, for packing. We just have a few items and they match with like everything. So yeah, those are the jacket tops, and let's see if I can fit this in. All we have left though is my regular tops, which there aren't that many, so I think we're doing good. All right, so this is what we're working with here. I threw the skirt and the dress there, and then layered these jackets on top of this stack. We'll see if this ends up working out. But yeah, that leaves this spot open for the rest of my tops, and then any toiletries that I need to put in the big suitcase. All right, as it's shaping up, I don't think this jacket is going to make it. Maybe if Jake ends up not needing all of his side, we can throw it in there, but we're gonna pass on the jacket like for sure now, as well as the trouser pants, and probably this dress is still iffy if I could bring it in, but not 100% sure. And then I do just have some fleece lined tights. These are going to be tried and true on this trip. Like, I've already planned so many outfits for these guys. I actually got a second pair that I need to squeeze in here as well. So got some tights. All right, and then tops that I'm bringing. It looks like a lot, but I promise it's not too many. So I have this little vest to throw on the top of some outfits, give a cute layered look. I have this crop sweater, which I got from xoxo. It's actually part of a cute little matching set, but I decided just to keep the top of this set, the sweater, for this trip. So that's really cute. And then another sweater. This is a little more of a tan color sweater. This is from, I believe, Lulu's. Yeah, this one is from Lulu's. Really cute crop sweater. I already kind of made this outfit with that black leather dress where I throw this on top of it, and it's really cute. Like, the crop falls perfect, so I'm excited to remake that outfit for this trip. It's just so perfect. And then my last little stylized top here is from Abercrombie. It's just a cute little crop top with the little fun sleeves. I just think it's so girly and whimsical and fun. So again, kind of giving Paris vibes in my opinion. So I really like this one. And then I do just have some thermal tops that I got from Amazon. I did a full video on these and the tights. So these are my thermals. I have a white one, a black one, and another black one. So 3 of these, and that kind of rounds out my clothes for this trip. Now let's see if I can get that to all fit in the last spot of my suitcase. All right, I feel like we got all of that in there, pretty well done. And then shoes, I do just have some Adidas and then these long black boots. We'll see if I'll bring my Uggs. On the fence about it, also space-wise, but I was planning to use my rolling carry-on to just those shoes and then like other accessories in it. So I have a couple scarves that I'm bringing, some beanies, and then just like the bags that I'm bringing. So I think I'm definitely going to be bringing this Louis Vuitton bag. I actually brought it on my Australia trip and I thought it was so useful. It has 2 strap options. So it has this canvas strap, and then it has the little leather strap, so it really gives that formal and casual mix all in one bag. So again, getting a lot of use out of one item. I think it's perfect. Also, it pretty much matches everything because it is just so neutral. So like, it would match all my black outfits, anything with tan in it. So yeah, this is definitely been my tried and true travel purse. It's also a pretty good size, so you can fit a good amount in there. And then I think I'm also probably going to bring just a little fanny pack. So this one's from Lululemon. It's kind of like, I don't know what this word is, canvasy, nylon-y. So that's kind of the vibe. It says be hands-free, have a little fanny pack, so that could be really cute. I actually didn't use this in my lookbook. I actually don't think I styled any of it with purses, so that was still up in the air when I was filming. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with a fanny pack and then a bag, because if I go to anything fancy, I'll just throw like a top handle on this one and it'll be good. I was debating on bringing, I have it right in front of me, my little YSL clutch, but I don't know, I feel like we're not really going anywhere super fancy at all that often, so I don't think I need to bring like a whole bag for that. Also, similarly, I did not bring any heels, like actual heels, since again, I don't really think, based on our itinerary, I don't think I need any heels. If anything, these boots do have a little bit of a heel to them and they can look pretty formal and dressed up, so kind of banking on that. But yeah, so I'll finish packing this all up. I think I'm going to be doing a full travel vlog, so definitely check out the vlog to see how the rest of this packing turns out. But for now, I think I am pretty set on all of my clothes, all my outfits. I definitely do recommend maybe putting together some outfits yourself before you go on a trip. I thought it was so helpful doing my lookbook where I knew, okay, exactly these outfits, these pieces go together. I noticed items that I didn't really use as much or didn't need to use as much. So yeah, highly recommend that you put together some sort of lookbook for yourself, either taking pictures of your outfits or trying the clothes on together before you do end up packing. I think that helps a lot too in not overpacking, and also you have like a reference on what you want to wear each day. It makes it a lot easier to get ready in the morning. So yeah, really helpful. And yeah, so that was my little pack with me for Paris, for Europe. If you enjoyed this style video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below. What are some of your packing tips, packing hacks? I'm curious to hear what wisdom you guys have to share. We'll be sure to link as much as I can in the description down below on all of the items that I'm bringing. A lot of these are from some of my more recent hauls that I've done, so if you want to check out those videos to get a little bit more in depth on each of these items, definitely go check those out after this video. And yeah, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.